Yay!
Hi guys! Today we will draw a singing Cocomelon together. Let's start with the face. First, we draw the eyes and the nose. Then the cute smiling mouth. After that, let's draw the big, adorable ears. Cocomelon face is ready. We leave a small space for the microphone. Now, let's draw the little fingers. Next, we draw the overalls. So cute! Do you know what animal will be on Cocomelon's overalls? It's a surprise for those who don't know. Let's draw the legs and the tiny shoes. Now, we draw the arms and the cute fingers. And here comes the surprise animal. Let's draw the ears, the eyes, and the sweet little nose. The mouth and meow. A cute kitten. Don't forget the little music notes, because Cocomelon loves to sing. Now we can start coloring. Painting is so easy. Let's color the face. And the hands. We can give Cocomelon blonde hair, or any color you like. And the blue overalls look super cute. It's that easy to paint. It's the most fun thing in the world. You can use any colors you want. This is your dream drawing. We can bring everything to life with colors. Let's add some sweet little dots. It's so much fun. And now our singing Cocomelon drawing is complete. Don't forget to color the cute kitten too. If you enjoy this, don't forget to follow my channel. See you in the next drawing. Goodbye!